You want a doggy treat?
Oh, I almost tricked him. Come on.
Come on, buddy. You can get it.
Dang it, I'm trying to.
Okay, show him that little piece there. Whitey, all you gotta do is jump off that little ledge. See? There's a doggy treat right there. Doggy treat. You're not afraid of that little ledge, are you? Doggy treat. Okay, back up for her. You're being good, dog. Are you afraid to jump off that little ledge? Come on, Whitey. Oh, you're being a bad dog. Doggy treat. Okay, well, hey, boy. Here, maybe you can hand him that little piece of food and we'll see if he'll... Are you too afraid to jump off that little ledge?
No. I'm gonna push it.
So anyway, here we are. We just woke up. There's Roar. Well, we woke up a bit ago. There's me. We're on our MacGregor over here. And let's go outside and see what the neighbors are doing. On our second day of this trip, we ate at Anthony's home port last night. It was really nice. Had some fish and chips. Gosh, it was good. It was tempura cod. Holy cow, it was good. Anyway, we're just relaxing here at the beach in our boat. And we're gonna head for Seattle. There you go, there's a Nordic Tug 37. Before I switched to sailing, I had a 36-foot trawler. Dang close to that. So here's our boat. We're drying out a couple things. We have the we got the wetsuit on the mast, drying that off. Or it's on the boom actually, drying that off. I'll show you how cool it is just to walk up to this Anthony's Beach Cafe. Come with me. So we walk down here, walk along the little boardwalk, so to speak, up this nice ramp by the haul out, and here we are. And this is exactly where we had our lunch. We sat right there at that table. I had lunch. Got a little sand trap for the kids. Walk around here. Boom. Anthony's Beach Cafe. What are you gonna do? What I'm gonna do is go comb my hair. And take off. We're gonna take off. We're going sailing. We're heading south to Seattle. Look at this guy. He's got a jungle on his boat. That's pretty cool. I've seen a couple MacGregors in this marina. And again, we're back at our boat. Roar! Got the hatch open. There she is. Put it on my good side. Okay, we'll see you later.